Hello viewers! Welcome to Endless Learning. In our last video, we explored script writing for YouTube shorts. Today we'll learn how to create a voiceover for these shorts. We'll be using a text-to-voice AI tool for this purpose. Let's begin by going to Google and typing Genny. Genny AI by LOVO, an innovative platform transforming video and audio production. With cutting-edge features like advanced text-to-speech, voice cloning, and video editing, Genny AI makes it easy to produce high-quality content. If you already have an account, you're set to go. For new users, Genny AI offers a 30-day free trial. Just click the Create a Project button to get started. AI voice and video. This feature is ideal for projects that include both audio and video content, featuring multiple text blocks and speakers. It provides extensive editing tools that enable you to create detailed voiceovers, add audio effects and music, and export in various formats. It's perfect for more complex audio-visual projects. Short voiceover, designed for quick audio-only content. This option is best for projects that are under 5 minutes and fewer than 5,000 characters. It allows for rapid creation using a single voice and text block, making it ideal for straightforward tasks needing a quick voiceover without visual elements. Auto subtitle, tailored for adding subtitles to existing videos. This function is direct and user-friendly. It leads you straight to the subtitle features, enhancing video accessibility and expanding audience reach by providing written displays of dialogue or narration. For this tutorial, we only need a voiceover, so select Short Voiceover and click on Start Project. Explore Pro Voice option. You will find all available voice, and it's typically support multiple languages and accents, enabling global reach and localization of content across diverse audiences. I am satisfied with this voice, so I will select it. Return to ChatGPT and copy and paste the voiceover text for each scene individually. Click Generate to convert the text to a voiceover. Let's check the output.
Welcome to the eerie world of the Codex Gigas, the largest medieval manuscript known as the Devil's Bible. Legend says it was penned in a single night by a doomed monk with help from the devil himself.
Our voiceover is now ready. Download the audio file in this video. We have successfully created a voiceover. Next, we will create visuals for this voiceover using Midjourney AI, which we will explore in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment on this video.